YouTube channel. Ayan. This is my supervisor, Roy Ponce. And
Hello guys!
yes, and my colleague at the back, Gabriel and Jaira. Ayan, punta kami ngayon sa function area ni Sir Lito kasi event niya tomorrow. Tomorrow ba?
Di po eh.
Ay, hindi sa Sabado po.
Tomorrow is 2.
Yes. So i-check namin yung area niya kasi nandun yung decorator na si Sir. Kasi ano yan?
Labas, film mo ba? Mas film
Filmar. Kayo na siya mag-decorate?
Ugma pa, pizza dos.
Ugma pa di pizza dos. Ayan, ang aming pinakakusgan na supervisor, Sir Roy Ponce.
Hello
Ayan.
guys.
Hello guys.
Mag-add to make karon sa area of responsibility.
Yes.
To
check.
to check and everything.
Yes. And may upcoming kami na 1 year na event. Ayan. Ampu lang. This is the Leonor. Hi guys. Ayan, we are here at the convention area. Ayan. For my event this February 3 birthday, around 200 packs. Ayan. This is Fred. Hello Fred.
Hi.
Say hi. Ayan, Divina and Chef. Hi Chef, say hi. Ayan. This is the convention area, guys. Ayan. So we have lots of station here for the Pika Pika and the buffet. Ayan, so the red carpet. Ito yung convention namin. Convention can cater up to around mga 1,500 to 2,000 katao. Ayan. And guys, so preparation for the February 3 birthday. Look at the chandelier, guys. Ito siya kalaki. Ayan, so all first kami lahat dito. Fresh pa ba? Ayan. So ayan, so this is the decoration, guys. Ayan, for tomorrow's event. So ayan, Hawaiian tayo.
I like the orange talaga.
Alright. Ayan. See ya tomorrow. for today, guys. Ayan, so yung concept natin for today is buhay back kasi gumagawa sila ng sushi. And then may station din tayo dito for the coffee. And then at the back here, besides of the may liquor tayo. Ayan. Paano masasabi mo dyan for our event for today?
It's very beautiful.
Yes. How about our supervisor? Hi, this is my supervisor, Roy Ponce.
Hi, digitin na lang.
Ayan, guys. So, actually, guys, yung event ko today is matatapos siya by 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Sasali ka pa babaya sa 2 a.m.? No. So, kami na lang yung maiiwan, guys. Ayan. So, actually, guys, may pinaset up yung client natin na 360 at saka photo booth. And we have also, LED wall screen. Hindi ko lang alam kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. I'll give you an update later on, guys.
Hi vlog, welcome to her live.
Ito yung Member Station, and then we have also Pika Pika. Pika Pika Station. Ito yung venue natin.